Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you setting up biometric login for online banking, Face ID and fingerprint guide. So without wasting any time, let's just get right on the video. In order to set up biometric login for Wells Fargo, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up the application and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the menu icon on the top left corner of the screen, which is the hamburger icon, and the menu icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside the menu, here what you need to do is select security and profile option, and once you do that, under security and profile you'll find an option that says biometric login. Simply tap on that, and inside there what you need to do is select biometric login once again, and inside the biometric login you'll find the Face ID option or Touch ID. Simply toggle this on if it is off to activate the biometric login and confirm using your device Face ID or fingerprint. Now biometric login is enabled. Now if you are using Bank of America application and want to set a biometric login, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up the Bank of America application and log in with the user ID and password. Once logged in, simply tap on the three horizontal bars on the top left corner of the screen or one icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then inside select Security Center. Then once you're inside the profile and settings or security center, simply tap on the biometric login option, and once you tap on the biometric login option, all you gotta do is toggle it on, and then once you toggle it on, here you will be asked to use Face ID for Bank of America. All you gotta do is tap on OK to confirm it, and then biometric login is now activated. If you are using TD Online Bank and want to enable or set up biometric login, then next is to simply head over and open up your TD Bank application and log into your account. Then once you log in, follow the same steps by simply tapping on the three horizontal bar on the top left or tapping the menu icon on the bottom left, and then inside menu, select Profile and Settings. Inside Profile and Settings, you'll find an option that says Biometric Login. If you don't find it, simply select Security Settings, and inside there you'll find the Biometric Login option. Then once there, you'll find an option that says Face ID. If it is toggled off, simply toggle it on, and you'll be asked to confirm by using a Face ID or Touch ID in your device. And once you confirm using a Face ID or your fingerprint, the biometric login is now enabled. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.